Alright, we are back, so just washed the bike. So still waiting for those bar ends so we can install them. So what we can do now, so I would like to remove those marks. Try to remove, so I will try to do that with the polishing paste. We'll try. And here as well, so here I will need to paint a little bit, so yeah, here as well, so I want to make clean this one, the frame. Right, let's try to polish the frame. So I got the paste here, so let's try to polish it. Maybe it works, maybe not. Let's try to do that.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now it's just still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf.
Alright, so the marks are gone, but the black marks are gone, but anyway there are scratches. So anyway, let's try to do that on the whole frame. I don't know, it's probably hard to see on the camera, but I think it looks better, like shiny. You see here, I didn't work here, but here I work, so it's more shiny. So yeah, let's try to continue like that. Alright, so we finished on this side. I think looks better, so I need to figure out with this thing. Probably I will try to make the paint a little bit and paint there, so we'll see. So yeah, let's try to do the same for other side. So here as well it's scratched a little bit, but let's try to polish this side as well. See, this one is not like shiny, but then I work on this side, it looks really good. Alright, it's done. Looks better as well, but yeah, on this side here are a few scratches as well. So alright, that's done for polishing. So I will need to think about, I will try to get that paint like that, but maybe I will just stay. I will leave like how it is now. Alright, so what else? Let's remove this exhaust cover, so let's paint it. Not looking good. Alright, looks good. Alright, I think it's dry enough. Let's install it back. Small thing, but it looks better. Welcome back in the channel, guys. So I've been riding the bike almost 2 weeks. So finally received the parts. What I told you previous video. So I received the front fender and the handlebar ends. So one was missing before and the other one is a scratch. So let's install those parts now, and after I will take the photos with the bike. Alright, let's do unpacking. In both parts I ordered from the China, so actually this was really fast. So I received it like after, it wasn't even 2 weeks, so like 1 week and a half. So let's do unboxing for this one. Alright, look at that. From the China, but I think it looks really good. It's not like actual carbon fiber, it's like plastic one, but with the sticker or something like that. But anyway, will be good enough. You can see this one is like scratched like in lots of places. Let's open the other one. Those are from China as well, so the handlebar ends. So alright, looks good. I ordered like a red one, so yeah, it looks fine as well. So let's install the front fairing firstly. Alright guys. Yes, so front fender is in the place, so I think it looks good. So let's put the bar ends on. Alright, one is done. Let's do the other side. Alright, other side is done as well. Alright guys, basically everything is fixed with the Ducati, so now we will do photo shooting for the bike. And that's it for Ducati story. Overall it was a really great bike, so incredible practical bike for riding around the city, and I already sold it and now I'm looking for my next project. So Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.